Good evening, guys. Ali's here from Vancouver Financial Network. Today is October 18th, 2021. Just want to give you an update for the market. As we expected last week in weekly wrap, we expected to price for S&P 500 going all the way up to the 44.91, and that's how we are. And in monthly chart, just wanna give you monthly chart. As you see, this is the price that we are going all the way up above moving averages, and it is very parabolic. And for the September high, we had exhaustion selling signal, which is bearish engulfing, but that was exhaustion selling signal. And as we expected, there is going to be a big bounce all the way up to here 44.90, and this 44.90 to 4500, that's going to be a massive resistance for S&P 500. And I told you guys in weekly wrap on Friday that if we get here, we're gonna see a hiccup for all the indexes, and probably most likely S&P 500. And right now we are at 44.90.91, and this is the monthly chart. I'm expecting still we would have, that would be great idea. Actually, it is not the case for sure, but if we have another sell-off or deeper correction into 49.90, that would be great opportunity to buy, just because it doesn't show here. But let's go to weekly chart. It doesn't show here as well. So if we just zoom out a little bit, we will see prices going higher and higher, and we have good bounces from SMA 20, which is going to be pretty good support for the weekly chart. But right now, if you're going to the daily chart, right now we are at the resistance area, the one that I show you on the weekly wrap. And if we go down to the bigger correction, then we are going to test this 200. And first of all, this is going to be your first support, which is going to be 42.96. If it goes down and we take this pivot low here or swing low here, then this one is going to be piece of cake, and we are going to test here, so somewhere here, right? So that would be very scenario. I wouldn't say this can happen. I would say if that happens, that would be great idea for us. This is going to be a buying opportunity for us. And to be honest, I'm really expecting price going down, and I'm waiting price is going down to this level to give me buying setup. But right now we have very fantastic move. This is going to be ABC correction, and this ABC correction, I would show you a trick here in this video. Let me just point it out. Here is first move, and then second move. We are long in the tooth for this one. So this one is completed. If it is ABC correction for the downside move, then it's going to be completed, right? So if it is ABCD pattern, then we should expect prices rolling over from this area. So watch out for this level. Tomorrow is going to be Tuesday, and nothing special for the Tuesday. If it was Wednesday, I would say most probably we will have rollover. But here is the big resistance here, and we will have good support here. However, the good thing for the price is going to be a price recaptured all the moving averages, which is going to be bullish. And also this red ball is kind of engulfed with these 4 sessions. Okay, so that's going to be bullish scenario. But in bearish scenario, if we roll over to lower level, that would be great idea. And to be honest, I'm just waiting. Price is going down to here, and that would be great opportunity for buy lots of stocks, lots of good quality stocks, and we will see how it goes. Let's go to Nasdaq. Let's go to US 30, which is Dow Jones, by the way. So Dow Jones again, this is the area that I am showing you, and I show you on the weekly wrap last week. Look at that, how price is going all the way up. I told you, like at 35,365 to 35,500 at 35,526. That's going to be a resistance area, massive resistance, which is going to be this bearish bar here. And right on, we are getting to that one, and we gap lower today. So we are still positive, slightly positive, but London session is gonna start in 50 minutes as I'm recording this video, and probably we will see more volatility in London session and then New York session afterwards in 8 hours. Okay, but right now, just want to tell you, I think we are getting back to the bullish setup, and if we have any correction, any deeper correction, by the way, for Dow Jones, we kind of like meet our criteria, and that would be ideal if we go down to 32,000, which is going to be a great opportunity and deeper correction. I'm not expecting for the Dow Jones, probably we are going to this area and then we will finish off the correction. But right now Dow Jones recapture all the moving averages again, so it's going to be a positive case for the Dow Jones. Still we are into this consolidation, bullish consolidation and fail pattern, and that's going to be tricky for the market if it wants to recapture all of this resistance area and take it to the support. Okay, so that's going to be it for Dow Jones. And let's go down to Nasdaq, which was powerhouse, by the way, for today's price action. I told you last week Nasdaq had very good reaction last 2 weeks for the weekly chart. If you see the weekly chart here, and right on, we have like narrow body bar here, follow through, and this week still we are into this red bar. And let's go to daily chart. I'm gonna show you better there. Okay, so here is the daily chart, and we are kind of extended. Like, look at this. This is a good impulse, moving back 1 2 3, and then big surge to the upside. Still we are into this resistance area, and as you see here, it's very clear that we have like a negative divergence here, hidden divergence. Okay, so that's gonna be it. And let's go Fibonacci for Nasdaq, see where are we at. So let's take this pivot high, is low, and right on. So we are getting to probably 15,423. That's going to be the maximum level of the Fibonacci that I'm expecting, and then price can roll over. So still we have room, but for S&P 500 we are almost here. And for the Nasdaq as well, we are pretty in solid resistance area. However, let me show you. We recapture all the moving averages, and this is going to be a bullish setup for Nasdaq. And last time we have this was here. So look at that. So we have like negative divergence. It was in all-time high, and then price rollover. Okay, so that was the case in April. And right now, after a while, we will have another negative divergence in a downtrend. So still we are not uptrend because we didn't take this swing high. So in a downtrend, and probably this is going to be another higher low, or lower high. Okay, so just be careful on that. But I don't have anything special for tonight. I will give you more updates on the weekly wrap. Just want to give you what is going on, just because we point out that level and we are getting there. And it is kind of like a question mark for everyone. Okay, where are we at now, and where are we heading to? So we are heading to the massive resistance here, and we will see how it goes tomorrow. I'm expecting more volatility or choppiness here. If it consolidates here, it's going to go higher. If it rolls over, so we are expecting to go to the bigger correction, probably 14,400, 14,600, or even lower. But I think this is going to be a good level for Nasdaq. Okay, thank you so much. Please subscribe our channel and like our videos, and this is the way that you can help us and support us. All right, thank you guys. Have a good one. Bye.